In this video, I'm teaming up with Mark Rober and Mr. Beast, and we're gonna clean some trash up. Well, not really, but, I mean, kinda. So, I'm pretty sure that probably 90% of the people that watch my channel have no idea who Mr. Beast or Mark Rober are. If you do, that's awesome. But they are some very big influencers on YouTube, and they have a big following. They have millions and millions of people that follow their channels, and that's opposed to my little tiny corner of the internet we have over here. One thing that's been on my mind here lately is trash and plastic waste, and these machines that we can't fix that end up going into the ocean, right? Sometimes some of these machines end up, or pieces from the machines, end up floating into the ocean as trash. And we don't want that to happen. So one thing that's going on right now, if you haven't heard, is called Team Seas. 80% of the trash that makes its way to the ocean comes from 1% of the rivers in the world. So Team Seas is working to collect trash that's leaving those rivers and going into the ocean for those 1% of rivers to prevent 80% of that trash from getting into the ocean. And what they've done is they've made it possible for us to take part in this. So for every dollar that we donate, 1 pound of trash gets prevented from going into the ocean. The goal is to remove 30 million pounds of trash by January 1st, 2022. That means that they need $30 million. Right now, as of recording this video, there are 13,772,612 that have been donated, which means that many pounds are being removed from the ocean. So that means we have another 17 to 18 million dollars that we need to raise. So right here today, I am going to donate $500 to the cause. All right, so we're donating $500 from Sewing Machine Repair Guy, and we just made a new team, Sewing Machine Repair Guy, to remove plastic sewing machine parts from the ocean. So there we go. We just donated $500 to help remove plastic sewing machine parts from the ocean. It probably is some other parts too, but hey, I could write what I wanted in there, so why not? I will have a link in my Facebook page. I'll have a link in the description below for you to be able to donate to Team Seas. And if you want, you can join Team Sewing Machine Repair Guy. If not, you don't have to, because I think it really doesn't matter as long as we are removing trash from the ocean. Thanks a lot.